Yo, what is going on, guys? Crypto Kid here, come at you again with another video, guys. First off, before the video even starts, go over, hit subscribe, turn on those post notifications, make sure to drop a like, and let's get right into it. We're not going to be wasting our time talking about any promo deals or anything. We're just starting off. Here we go. Number one coin to have in your portfolio for 2021 from this very moment is going to be, of course, Ethereum. Ethereum has not seen its major jump yet. There's an incredible amount of resistance around the $1,250 level. As we can see on just Coinbase Pro alone, there's about a $2 million, $1 to $2 million increase just from that resistance level of 1,250. So kind of crazy. I'm not sure why that number in specific, but if we can break past 1,250, it is essentially smooth sailing. I don't want to say that too lightly, but we basically don't see resistance until $1,300 from there. So that next $50 should go pretty easily, and then from there it's basically all the way up to like $1,350 again. So basically the dominations of 50 is where we're going to find resistance for Ethereum. But I think as these sell walls start to fall, things are just going to start coming a lot easier. And Ethereum has made up a lot of ground on Bitcoin, as we've seen. I'm hoping that this trend can kind of continue moving forward, hopefully, because we obviously saw Bitcoin go on a crazy run up, but we haven't really been able to see Ethereum catch up in a sense. So hopefully we will do that. Let's just go ahead and zoom out here. Obviously, we've definitely made up some ground on the Ethereum to Bitcoin chart, so that's pretty good. But Ethereum at 1,235 and Bitcoin still well under 40K is obviously pretty bullish. Ethereum is definitely starting to get some more dominance. So yeah, Ethereum looks like an incredible play. I think it has a lot of potential to run. We're not even close to all-time highs. Go ahead, get yourself at least one or two, I'd say, and then just kind of hold on at least till ETH 2.0 drops and we really see some incredible price action. So anyways, moving forward, number two, I'm going to be switching up here, guys. I'm actually going with Polkadot Dot. So right now, just the more I learn about this coin, the better I feel about it. Some people are coining it as the Ethereum killer. I honestly think, and Dot has taken the stance, their team, that they don't want to just like kill Ethereum. They don't want to beat out, they don't want to compete with any of these coins. They want to help build a great cryptocurrency ecosystem. They just want to be a part of that ecosystem. So Polkadot, obviously, I encourage you guys to really check it out and do your own research on it. I'm not going to try to sell you one way or the other, but all I can say, there's a lot of bullish sentiment coming behind Polkadot. As we can see, it's just the price has absolutely exploded recently, and this coin isn't even on Coinbase or Coinbase Pro yet, which are two of the largest exchanges in the world. So I'm thinking that Coinbase has to inevitably put Polkadot onto their platform. I'm guessing that they're starting to pull coins from Polkadot from the market as we speak, just trying to get enough liquidity to open it up to buyers. But once Polkadot ends up being listed on Coinbase, that's obviously just going to be a massive increase. And I think that, coupled with the fact that it is just doing so well on its own, on the limited exchanges that it's on, you really can't go wrong right now in investing in Polkadot. With only a $14 billion market cap, and then you take into thought that Ethereum is also probably going to increase its market cap, it seems like the sky's the limit for Polkadot. This, I would not be surprised if it 10x's from here. I think $160, basically just giving it Ethereum's current market cap, is entirely possible in this 2021 bull market. So I guess we're going to have to wait and see, but I definitely encourage you guys to get a bag of Polkadot. The sky is definitely the limit for that one. Such a new, exciting coin to be a part of. So regardless, moving forward, we're going to go ahead and go with Chainlink. Chainlink is, it's taken, I'm pretty sure, 99% of people by surprise, besides those Link Marines. Just definitely one of the craziest communities in crypto. You can't help but love those guys. They love Chainlink so much. I encourage you guys to download Twitter if you haven't, and just kind of look up hashtag Chainlink or something and just see kind of the stuff people are saying. It's definitely a very fun community to be a part of. But yeah, regardless, Chainlink, definitely number 3 hold right now. Obviously saw an incredible week. That's probably the most gains I've made this bull run is with my Chainlink investments, just because this thing went absolutely crazy. If you guys followed my advice and bought below $16, obviously you already saw massive gains from that, and I don't think it's stopping anytime soon. The biggest thing I look at with Chainlink, sorry, my voice is catching up, but regardless, the biggest thing I look at with Chainlink is the amount of partnerships they have. We're talking, I believe it's 200 to 300. I might be botching those numbers, but at least 200 partnerships in the crypto and financial space, more than anyone besides, I'm guessing maybe Ethereum would be the only one higher than that. But Chainlink, obviously, this is one that is seeing some real world utility, even if it is just in the cryptocurrency sector. This is one that is a part, and it's kind of the facilitator for a lot of these cryptocurrencies to run smoothly and for a lot of them to be practical. So Chainlink, when there's things depending on your coin, and you're comparing it to coins with very little fundamentals, you can't help but just want to have your money in a coin with actual real world utility, and that is currently Chainlink. So Chainlink will hopefully be moving up. I reckon it's going to pass Bitcoin Cash and Litecoin fairly easily over the coming week. I don't really believe in those two coins fundamentally, if I'm being honest. You guys can disagree in the comments, but I'm not personally a big fan of those coins. And then basically, I think Cardano and Chainlink start to even surpass XRP just because it's been delisted from so many exchanges. It's going to be pretty hard for that one to run. So yeah, we're looking at basically Chainlink and Cardano to move into the number 5 and 6 spots, and then eventually passing Tether, and I'm assuming Polkadot is going to pass it as well. So hopefully Chainlink and Cardano can both be in the top 5 right now. Cardano is not one of my coins currently just because I'm more confident in the next coins I'm about to mention, but Cardano is definitely not a bad play either for those of you that like it. But yeah, Chainlink is definitely the number 3 coin right now. We're finding support above $20, which I didn't really expect right off the bat. In 2170, it's down 20 on the 24-hour chart by 6.17%, and we're still at 2170. So obviously, there's support is going to be there the higher we go. So obviously, just super exciting from Chainlink. Did not really expect it to run this fast, this hard, but definitely a pleasant surprise from Chainlink. So number 4, we're gonna have to scroll down a little bit all the way to VeChain, which actually did run pretty well today at 12.58%. I've obviously been talking about this one for a little while here. But up 35% on the week, so obviously that's very, very good. But compared to a coin like Cosmos or one like Uniswap, that's obviously not even close to how hard it can run. This is obviously a supply chain coin. Once again, I encourage you guys to go ahead and do your research on this one. This is another one of those coins that is seeing the real world utility, already starting to make partnerships outside of the crypto space. And one that could really be a part of our future, just connecting the real world to blockchain. So obviously VeChain Vet, we're looking for fundamentals here, and that definitely has it covered. I would not be surprised. In fact, I'm assuming that VeChain is going to eventually break into the top 10 for cryptocurrencies. The more I research about it, the more confident I am in that. So with under a $2 billion market cap, if you scale it all the way up to Stellars, that's at least a 300% gain from VeChain, even at these kind of high prices. So yeah, VeChain obviously my number 4 pick right now. Super excited from that one. And now number 5, I've talked about it a lot. That is going to be, we got to find it, Algorand at 56.55 cents. Incredible week. If you guys bought it when I first mentioned it, you're definitely up pretty great amount here. We're almost at a $700 billion market cap. Still light years behind basically Cosmos and Tezos, both of which ended up running this past week. So obviously, if you guys understand the fundamentals behind these coins, decently similar projects, and one's with incredibly high market caps. So if we're looking at Tezos with basically a $2.3 billion market cap and Cosmos with just under a $2 billion market cap, and then we come over to Algorand and think, this has similar, and I'm going to argue better fundamentals than at least Tezos, because Tezos is more of a privacy coin, and I don't really see that working out in the long term. But yeah, with Algorand, given that it has better fundamentals than a similar project like Tezos, if not at least on the same level of fundamentals, we're looking at basically at least a 3x from here. Once again, another 300% gainer from Algorand. And when you throw in the staking rewards on top of that, if you guys are being able to stake this coin, it's just a rock solid project to be investing in right now. I reckon it's also going to be moving up from the 52 spot, easily breaking into the top 50, and probably at least into the top 25 from here, especially at a $2.1 billion market cap. So anyways, guys, those are my 5 coins to $5 million. Let me know in the comments, do you agree? Do you disagree with my picks? Which ones, if so? And start chilling your altcoins in the comments below. But when you do it, make sure you're talking about the actual fundamentals behind a coin, because we're not into these crap coins that are just pump and dumps. We want to really be investing in coins that can be a part of the future, because those ones are going to pump the hardest. Anyways, thank you guys all for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Let me know what you want to see next in the comments below, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.